Okay, so here's our final loose connective tissue. Again, you can see some fibers, but there's definitely a lot of material other than fibers taking up this screen. And this particular loose connective tissue is reticular connective tissue. Okay, so the dark fibers that you see here are reticular fibers, and usually those fibers are highly branched, but the branches are kind of small, so it's hard to see them. If you look kind of in the background of the specimen, you can see in places where there are branched fibers. Right in here you can see some branches in between those little cells, and there's a couple visible up in here as well. So the reticular fibers are composed of a similar material to what collagen fibers are composed of, but the reticular fibers, as I said, instead of being long and straight and thick like the collagen fibers, the reticular fibers tend to be thin and branched. So you find them in places where you need a more gentle type of support and places for cells to attach. And you can see we have a lot of cells here that need places to attach. Okay, so reticular connective tissue is a type of tissue that you find only in lymphoid organs. This particular specimen happens to be a lymph node, but you can find it in the spleen, the white pulp of the spleen specifically. You can find it in the thymus and any other type of tissue like the bone marrow that would have a lymphoid structure or be associated with the lymphatic or immune system. Many organs associated with that system will have this tissue within them. And the cells that you see here, many of them are components of the immune system. So the reticular fibers are giving them a place to hang out here in this lymph node and a place to attach to, so as fluid is going by, they can investigate what's in there and activate the immune system as appropriate. Okay, so again, this is our third loose connective tissue. This is the most cellular of all of the connective tissues, and this is reticular connective tissue.